Hello guys, i-flex ko nga itong linuto ko guys. Ito yung flatbread with cheese and pork, minced pork and spring onion. Ayan pinapakita ko guys. Ito yung arena guys. Tubig lang at olive oil. Ayan na guys. At yan, dinalagay ko na yung mga ingredients yan sa gitna. Ayan guys, onion, spring onion at pork. At linagyan ko rin siya ng cheese. Ayan, sarap po yan. Ayan, ito yan na guys, 4 na peraso. Ready to cook na yan guys. Ayan, dinuto ko lang siya ng preheat the oven 230 and cook for 10 minutes.